Welcome to our Shopify tutorials. Today we will learn how to create an account activation URL for a disabled customer using Postman in Shopify. The account activation URL will be valid for once-time use and will expire after 30 days. Activating the account is very important because the customer's information is secure and the payment process is fast. First, we will create an account activation URL for a disabled customer using the Postman. You can watch this video to learn how to access Shopify API. Next, you can copy the customer ID after creating a customer using Postman as this video. Or you can choose a customer in the Shopify admin and copy the customer ID in the URL following. In the admin dashboard, choose Customers, choose a disabled customer that you want to activate. Then copy the customer ID in the URL. Now go to the Postman. Then create a new post with this endpoint. This number is the customer ID I just got. Then click Send. The API will return the account activation URL for the customer. Now, let's check the URL by pressing Ctrl and clicking the link in the response. As you can see, the URL has been created successfully. The customer just only creates a password to activate the account. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video about Shopify API. If you have any suggestions or questions, give us in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bihixa, connecting applications, automating processes.